So, we start with the next phylum, Annelida. Annelids are long tubular-bodied animals which are supposed to be metamerically segmented. So the internal segmentation corresponds with the external one. That's a very interesting point here. Nephridia is supposed to be the excretory organ. Usually these organisms are supposed to be hermaphrodite. So I mean they are possessing both the reproductive organs in the same body. At the same time, these organisms, they are unique in one sense, possessing seta and parapodia as the distinct locomotory organs. And obviously, we mean to say that the seta is for land annelids and parapodia goes for aquatic ones, right? The next phylum is represented by the largest animal phylum of the world, that is Arthropoda. If we say Arthropoda, then it is a very important point, that is arthros, that means jointed. Podos means legs. So they are jointed legged animals. At the same time, body is supported by chitinous exoskeleton. Compound eyes seem to be a very unique point some of the arthropods, but all arthropods are not possessing it. Usually, these animals possess a blood-filled space, that is hemocoel. And hemocoel is one of the unique features for this group of organisms. Noteworthy to mention is that these animals possess trachea and spiracles as the organs for respiration. At the same time, in some of the other aquatic forms of arthropods, gills may be present, which is a very unique point for understanding. Arthropods are usually having a very important feature, that is the capacity of metamorphosis. In most of the insects, some of them are ametabolous without showing any metamorphosis. Some of them are hemimetabolous, which are partly metamorphosing, and some of them are holometabolous, which are completely metamorphosing. The next group is represented as mollusca. Mollish, soft-bodied. So body covered with external shell. Some are shellless. They are also a very peculiar type of mollusk. And you can ask me one representative name of the very common animal, you call it octopus. The octopus is supposed to be a shellless mollusk. At the same time, ventral muscular foot is present as a locomotory structure. Mantle membrane is surrounding the whole body, which is a unique feature for this group of animals. Now, they are triploblastic, truly coelomate, and possessing gills as respiratory organ. But at the same time, two distinct respiratory organs are also present in mollusca. One of them is pulmonary sac in land, and the other goes to Ctenidia in water. The starfishes. The last phylum, represented as Echino, dermata. These organisms are represented as the exclusively marine ones. They are 100% occurring in seawater. They exhibit this type of symmetry like a five-armed body, almost showing a pentameter symmetry. Centrally, these animals possess a channel which is ambulacral groove. On both the sides of this ambulacral groove, we are getting long tubular spikes, and these are the locomotory organ of these animals, and these are tube feet. As these animals are entirely aquatic and specifically in seawater, they are having a very interesting device inside their body as a excretory cum circulatory system. And this is WVS. What do you mean by the term WVS? WVS means water vascular system. These animals have got a centrally operated large calcareous disc-like structure, we call it madreporide, and the tube feet have been supported by some hydrostatic skeleton represented by Polian vesicles. Thank you very much. For tasting your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.